Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of March's Allure Beauty box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright, so here is the card this month. This is important because it has all our prices in the inside of everything that is in the box. Starting off, I did get to customize one product in the box this time. I got to pick a shade of a blush that they sent, and the blush that I got is from Yummy Skin, I think. Is it Yummy Skin? Okay, no, it's Denise Myricks Beauty, I guess is the brand, and it's Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Low Lighter Blush? I don't know. Blurring Balm Low Lighter. I thought it was a blush. Is this not a blush? It looks like a blush, but it's actually one of those products that you can use all over your face. So it says you can put it on your eyes, your lips, your face. So it's just kind of one of those overall products. But here is what it looks like. That's why I thought it was a blush, because it looks like a blush, but I guess it's just a balm. But there is the shade. The shade is Unbothered. And this retails for $25. I am going to go ahead and do kind of like a swatch. So it is a cream product. It looks like a blush to me. It looks like a cream blush. But anyways, so there's that. So I am happy to see this. I've never heard of this brand, and I've certainly not tried this product. So that is nice to see that there is a full-size makeup product in here. So $25 for that. Next up, from Glow Recipe, this is their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. Comes in this box. It's in one of those nice glass jars. It's got a protector on it, but it's just a gloss. So that's nice to see. And this is another full-size product, and this retails for $22. I have tried things from Glow Recipe before. Their products are nice. And then next up, from Skin Fix, this is their Triple Lipid Eye Treatment. So I think it's a moisturizer. This is another full-size product, and this retails for $54, which is a lot for an eye product. Can't tell if that's glass. It's a very heavy feeling little bottle. There it is. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not ready to use it yet. I've got other eye creams that I'm going through right now. So like I said, $54 for that. Then next up, from Versed Dew Point. Is it just Versed? I think Versed is the brand, but it's the Dew Point Moisturizing Gel Cream. This has green tea extract and aloe leaf juice. This retails for $14.99, and this is full size as well. We're getting a lot of full size products. And the last two products are sample sizes. So first up, from Belief, this is their Super Drops Golden Glow Serum. The retail value on the full size of this is $38, but this, like I said, is a sample size. And just this little cute little container. And then last but not least, from Sephora, this is their Collection Size Up Volumizing Mascara. The full size retail value on this is $13, and this is obviously a little sample. There's what the full size looks like. Alright, and that is everything in the box. So I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price, let you guys know the overall value, and then after that I'll do a final run through and let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. Alrighty, so the overall value for this box is $115.99, which is pretty good considering I only paid $25 plus shipping. I think it's like $2 something. So I paid around $27 for this box. Alright, so run through real quick. Alright, so the products that I'm most excited to see in the box are probably these two products right here. So the balm thingy, I'm just going to call it a blush. The blush, and then this hyaluronic gloss balm here. Although I hope it's not, it is a plump. I hope it's not one of those ones that kind of burns your lips or stings your lips. I don't really like the plumping glosses. I just don't care to have that tingliness burning all over my lips. I don't mind the size of my lips, so I'm not really interested in anything that's plumping them up. I just don't really care. But I am curious to try it out and see how I like it. And like I said, this product I'm curious to try out as well. The color is actually really pretty. It does have like kind of a little bit of shimmer, but I wonder if that's just the top coat, because sometimes I'll put like a shimmer top coat on. But it's not like overly shimmery, so I think it'll be okay. Then the other products I got is this moisturizing gel cream. I don't mind getting moisturizers, although I have gotten a lot. I am curious about this eye treatment. I've actually been really liking eye creams lately. It's probably because I started doing that Project Pan on kind of my own time. I post a little bit on YouTube of the progress, but that really has helped me like go through my skincare and like really focus on using up products, because I like to see, you know, whenever I update and show my progress, I like to see the progress. So I've been using a lot of eye creams up. I'm going through my second one right now. That's not a lot, but to me it's a lot because I hardly ever use eye cream. But I've actually really been enjoying the results of eye creams. Like, my under eyes feel a lot smoother. They're really soft now, and I don't know, I've been impressed lately, so I'm like, hey, maybe there is something behind this eye cream stuff. Anyways, and then the last two products were sample sizes. But actually, surprisingly, I'm actually pretty happy with this month's Allure box. And it's kind of sad because I just unsubscribed from them, and like, I wonder if that's why, because I think I might have said, well, I didn't get a lot of makeup. But this box has 3 makeup products in it. I don't know if you would consider the balm. I kind of do, because it looks tinted a little bit. But anyways, I got 3 makeup products this time around and 3 skincare products. So that's pretty good, honestly. But yeah, I wish they would do this every single time. If I got a lot more makeup like this every box, I would have stayed subscribed. But, you know, from my past boxes, I just got maybe 1 makeup product and the rest was all skincare. So that just wasn't really worth it to me. But I'll see what my last box is. I really don't think I'm going to subscribe, even if they blows me away. Just because, what is this, my 6th box that I've gotten from them? And I'm just now getting more makeup, so I don't know. I think Allure is more geared towards skincare, or I think they're like a combination. They're not really geared towards makeup. It's more beauty, skincare, that kind of stuff, which is not bad, but just for me personally, I prefer more makeup. But anyway, so final thoughts, I'm pretty happy with this month's box. But there you go, guys. That's going to do it for today. That is my unboxing of March's Allure Beauty box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up because it really does help my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!